Hi dear viewers and victorious creators of my channel. Today I have an issue. I spilled my cup of tea on my keyboard and I'm trying to fix it, but my mistake was that I turned it off from my computer very late because I didn't realize that it got like inside. So before I start taking the keys out, I have to take a picture of the keyboard so I don't forget where each key goes to, and then after that I'll start removing the keys one by one. And then this one, and then this one. Okay, now it's safe to take out. I never tried to remove my keys. I'll start with this one. Hopefully I can make it without any tools. Hopefully. Well, it's not working. You know what? I was able to remove this key, but I don't know what is this one here. What's this? And how was it put? Either I'm going to mess up and then buy a new keyboard, or I will fix it somehow. Let's go ahead and remove this one and see if this one has the same. Oops, I guess I'm gonna damage my whole keyboard. What is this? Dust, dirt, and all kinds of junk inside. I haven't cleaned this keyboard since I have bought it. It was about 7 years ago. I was only blowing air on it. So this is the result. Okay, I'm trying to remove this one. Please come out. I guess I'm becoming an expert of removing the keyboard keys. It goes easy after the 5th one. So this is number 8. Goes here. See how much dirt is inside. I have to clean this whole thing. And first of all, I'll wash all the keys separately. And then I'll clean the board itself. Yeah. There it is. Number 4. Number 1. Done with the numbers. 0 is left. Let's see. Okay, I got it. So the large keys have this thing. I can see lots of liquid inside. Yeah, I really damaged my keyboard. Hopefully I can fix it. Pray for me, guys. Okay, now I'm taking a picture of this part because I'm not a computer guy or girl who may forget how this thing was put. Done. Now I can start cleaning this part with Q-tip and alcohol. I chose 50% on rubbing alcohol, so I'm going to use my Q-tip and extra cotton. Don't look at my fingers, they're already dirty. Starting to clean from the top to the bottom.
From the top, really dirty. Really dirty. Going one by one, and I'll show you when I'm done with this thing. It's really dirty. I need to go over it maybe a couple of times before it gets clean. Look at this. Ew.
Voila! As you can see, it's totally clean, this part only. The rest I have to still remove and wash. Let's see. Okay, I put my keys inside this container. Hopefully it will kind of melt the dirt away. And let's see how they come out from here. Here we go. I already washed it. Now I'm going to dry it. Then I'm going to blow dry it. And at the end, probably we'll try to insert all the keys. Okay, as you can see now, my keyboard is all clean and dried. By the way, a tip. Do not clean inside of these small boxes. Do not press anything because you may damage the brain. I guess the brain is inside. Do not push anything inside. First of all, I have to Make sure that all the keys are dry and they don't have even one drop of water inside because it's too deep. So the only way to make sure it's all clean and dried, I'm gonna use my blow dryer and I'm going to put it on the cool, not warm, not hot, but cool, all the way to the cool. I will use this blue button, which is blowing cold air, cool air. So let's start. Because I was with one hand, I couldn't hold this and blow it inside. So I will start blowing inside of these deep areas with the blow dryer to make sure that it's totally dry. And then I'll start inserting. Actually, you will see how it's working. And by the way, this is why I love mechanical keyboards, because it's very easy to kind of remove and then put them back. You are not scared that you may damage the thinking part of the sensitive equipment. So let's start with the spacebar. By the way, this thing should be pressed harder. It has to click. See, I will show you. Oops, it's not coming out. Well, here. If you don't click, it won't get inside. So it has to click. You heard the sound, right? Okay. It has to be like this. And then fitting, matching this thing. Let's see how it works. Okay, good. Done. First one is done. Yay! The next one should be. Let's go here. Somewhere here. Okay, enter. I'm just doing the ones that I remember by heart. The other ones I don't remember, so I don't touch. I have to go back to the pictures, to the photos that I took. So this is the second one. Okay. Yay, second one worked. Now the plus sign goes on top of the enter. First you have to match this part with this. I have 3 buttons. I can work now. Do you want me to prove that you can work with these 2 keys? Here we go. Entering love to the world. 1 plus 1. Entering happiness to the world. Plus 1. Adding beauty to the world. Adding finances. Adding health. Enter, enter, enter. See how easy it is to add so many things to the world. Why to be aggressive? Why to try to steal whatever is not yours? Why to steal properties, lands from other countries? Here we go. I'm done with this part. The base arrows are in place. The 0, delete, enter, plus F's. Starting with escape and then FFFF. I'm blow drying one by one and inserting one by one. Dear friend, look how easy it is. Do you see these things? They are not inserted yet, but because I already put them on top of the boxes, it's so easy to press them down and go one by one. 1, 2, 3. These numbers done. Yes, I'm almost done. Just the letters left. Let's continue. W, E, R. No jumping. T, Y, U. Why are you jumping? I, O. See, they're jumping. Ta-da! Everything is finished. Let's hope that it works. Victory is on our side.